Hello, this video is going to help you build your course homepage. Now, unfortunately, if you're working on the Canvas Challenge, building your course homepage is one of the most difficult challenges that you have, and it happens to fall as a second challenge. So I'm going to walk you through a couple of options for building your homepage. The first one is actually pretty dang easy. So what I'm going to show you there is how to use one of the templates that I've already created for you, how to bring it into your course, and you'll just have to edit it then, edit it up to make your own homepage. So that's what I'm going to show you first. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into Commons. And Commons is a place where we can share information in Canvas. And I have created templates, and they are in here. So if, say, you're an elementary teacher, I'm going to find the template that I made for you. And if you search for elementary course homepage, it should come up. There it is with my name on it here, elementary homepage example. And I'm going to click on that. This right here indicates that it's a page, just a page. If it looks like this, it's a module. So you can tell that it's a little bit different here. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. And you'll see that the page is here. You really can't see it, but it tells you what it is, what grades should be using it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to import it into a Canvas course. So I'm going to search for the practice course that I made. And I'm going to select that course. And then I'm going to say import into course. And when I do, it'll give me a message that says I have successfully started the import. Then all I have to do, that's really the only thing that I have to do, I'm going to go back into my courses. I'm going to find that practice course that I created, and if I go into pages, you're going to see that it shows up right there. So then I can open it, and this is just a template, and all of these things are images. So there's some little pink notes on here for you. If you go to our Quality Canvas course checklist, it's going to tell you what your homepage needs to have. And so if you import my templates, they're all going to have what you need on them. You'll notice these are, this is the banner. It starts with the banner. So obviously you don't want it to say this, and you can't edit it. It's not editable. Even if I go into the edit mode, what that is an image. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that banner away, because you don't want it to say that. You want it to look like that, but you don't want it to say it. And you're going to open whatever presentation software you have on your computer. So if you're a Mac person, you're going to have Keynote. If you are a PowerPoint or a PC person, you're going to have PowerPoint. And then you'll just start by inserting a shape. And for a banner, I like to use a square, stretch that out and make it a rectangle. You can change it into some different colors if you'd like. I think I used purple for that example. There you go. You can go ahead and add an image to it if you have a picture that you want to represent your course. If you have a picture maybe that you would like to, let's use this one, maybe a photograph of yourself, especially in elementary, that's kind of nice so that the parents can see it. So you're going to put that on there. And then you'll add a text box to that to put your words. In elementary, you make one homepage, and we will access all courses from that. In secondary, you have to make one for every course that you teach. So that gets it to be a little more time consuming. The good news is once you make this stuff, it's in Canvas forever, and you can always pull it back out in subsequent years. So what I have now is I have a banner with my name and my image for my course. So now all I'm going to do is take a screenshot of that, and now I have an image to insert into my course. There it is. And to put the image in, you just go to Images up here, upload, and you're going to choose a file. And on my computer, it's going to be the last screenshot I took. If you're on a PC, you'll probably want to name it. I think that works a little bit better. And then say upload. And then you can resize it to however big you want it to be. Obviously, you're going to want to take out all of the text here. And then this will want to say, click on your subject button to access digital content materials. This is where elementary teachers will link all their other subjects. A brief course description here. You'll want to type a little something. Hopefully you'll do a little bit better than that. And this rich content editor, it works just like Word or any other program that you're used to using. There we go. Wrong button. Okay. And then there's this little narrative too that you can keep for your homepage as well that just kind of says how our courses work. Every page has to have a student parent information page and a contact button. And then I also want you to include a disclaimer about grades. You can view grades in Canvas, but that only records what children have submitted through Canvas, so it's not your actual course grade if you do anything paper pencil. So this disclaimer just lets parents know that they need, and students know that they need to go to PowerSchool for that. So then you hit save, and really that's all you have to do to make your course. I can need to resize that a little bit, I guess, to make your course homepage. Then when you're ready, what you're going to do is go to your home, and we're going to choose a home page. Oops, first we got to go into our pages again, our pages sheet. And remember, we only have the one. We're going to go to the little gear. We're going to say use as front page. Then we're going to go home. And we're going to say choose home page, and we're going to select this pages front page, and it tells you exactly which page you want, and say save. Now, anytime anyone comes to your course, that's the first thing they're going to see. So that's how you build your home page from a template. Similarly, if you're a secondary teacher, you're going to do the same kind of thing. You'll go into Commons. You will search for secondary homepage. Oops. And you'll see my name again on one. You'll open it up. Same thing. If you're a secondary teacher, you'll import. You'll select your course you want and say import into course, and then you'll go back to your courses, go to pages, and you're going to see that secondary home page here. When you get here, you'll have to go to view all because it's set for that to come up for everything, and there's that secondary home page template. Same thing, you'll go in, edit your banner, brief course description. You can put your syllabus here. Also, on the side, there's a place to link a syllabus, so you don't have to have it both places, or you can. It's up to you. And then you're going to make a selection on how you're going to run your course. If you're going to make a one-page digital lesson for every day, you'll want to do this. If you're going to, you can also, you'll still operate in modules, which you'll learn later, but some people want to make a page a day. Some people will want to have their students directed to a current unit, and some people will just want them directed to the calendar. We leave that up to you, and you'll get more training on how you want to set up your course specifically, and I certainly will help you with that. There's some pros and cons, so we'll talk about that. So for the challenge, just pick one, and we'll we'll go back or leave all 3 of them on there for the challenge, and we'll go back and I'll talk to you about how you want to set your course up specifically. Also, secondary teachers have to have a parent-student information. They have to have a contact information, and they also have to have a navigate this course button. Because you set it up differently based on these 3 things, you've got to write a narrative telling parents and students how you did that. Again, the disclaimer about PowerSchool. So that's basically how it works. Then when anybody goes home in your course, they're going to see that page. That's how you make your course homepage. So good luck with Challenge 2, and please let me know if you have any questions.